So we had a look at that aux component, and we'll use that aux component as a wrapper in cases where I want to have adjacent elements without an extra DOM element being rendered to the real DOM, so without an extra HTML element like a div being rendered. We'll use that aux component throughout this course and also throughout the course project. Now, since React 16.2, there is a built-in aux component, built into React, so to say. And whenever I use aux and this custom built higher order component, you can also use that built-in aux component. It's not named aux though for auxiliary. Instead, React ships with a component that you access on the React and then .fragment. Might look strange at first, but this is also a valid JSX syntax here, a valid component. So on the React package, there is this fragment. And if you don't like that dot notation here, you can also simply import fragment from React like this, just as we're importing the component here. And then you can just use fragment here. And the fragment does exactly the same thing as our aux component does. So under the hood, it looks exactly the same. Therefore, it's still nice to learn how this works under the hood. It works just like this. And I'll leave it up to you whether you want to use that fragment or aux. Since we created the aux component, I will revert this code to use aux, but again, technically they do the same.